Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to see how we can update our notary seal. So right now we're in our Manage tab, and I want to see what my eSeal looks like right now. So I'm going to go to eSeal. And here, this is what my eSeal currently looks like. But say my number has changed, my commission number has changed, or my expiration date has changed. Let's update those details. So I'm going to go to Settings. And when I go to Settings, I want to go to Personal Details. Now, Personal Details is where the information on my eSeal is kept. So let's change a few details and see how they come out on our eSeal. So I'll change my notary commission number, for example. And I'll change my commission expiration date. So now that I've made the changes, I'm going to press Save. And here I get confirmation that my details have been saved. Let's see what our eSeal looks like. We'll go back to Manage and eSeal. And here, the changes that I made have stuck. My commission number is different and my expiration date is different. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.